In this video I will show you how to change your email on Instagram. We start on our Instagram main homepage, and the first step to change your email is to go to the bottom of this homepage. And among all the options that appear here, we have to select our profile image icon. Now that we are on our profile page, we have to go to the top of it where our Instagram username appears, and on the right of it, we will see these three bars. And it is very important to tap on them so that the next menu is displayed. Now we arrive to the settings and activity page, and here pay very close attention. First we have to go to the Your Account option on the top, and here we select Account Center. Now in this page we have to scroll down a bit until we reach the section labeled Account Settings. And here we have to enter on the Personal Details option. Now in this Personal Details page, obviously we have to go to the Contact Info panel, and we select it. Now here we will see our contact information, and this is very important. We don't have to keep on selecting this email, because if we delete it, we will have no one on Instagram. First we have to add another one, and then we will delete this. For doing that, we go to the bottom of this page and we select Add New Contact. Here we have to select the option Add Email. Now in this page we have to go to the section labeled Choose Accounts for this email, and here we have to select the accounts in which we want to change this email. In my case, only the second one. As you can see, they're telling us that before adding the new email, the one that we have now will be automatically deleted. Now we go to the upper section where it says Enter Email Address, and here we have to write the new email that we want to add. In my case, it will be this, and then we confirm it. Here at the bottom we press on Next, then a code will be sent to that email. We have to enter it here, we press on Confirm it, and that's it.